Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to add items to your wish list on Amazon. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to add things so that people can order you Christmas gifts using a wish list. Now, the good thing about wish lists on Amazon is that when someone accesses your wish list on Amazon and then purchases an item using your wish list link, it'll actually go ahead and remove that item from your wish list so that two people do not buy you the same item on Amazon. Now, the way to actually do this is that you simply just go into the item page here, and then on the right hand side, you're going to see this button that says add to list. And when you click on this drop down menu, you'll see a bunch of different lists that you already have. You can see that I have some certain lists here. You can create a new list if you want. But once you click on add to list, it's going to add it to either a private list or a public list. And so if I click on my private list, you can see that I added this squat rack attachment here. You could click on view your list, and then for here, you could actually go ahead and change this to public, okay? So if you change this to public, you can send this list to other individuals, and that is how they're actually going to see what items you want from Amazon. And like I mentioned before, if someone actually orders this from you, it's going to be removed from your wish list. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add an item to your wish list on Amazon. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.